What? United Plugins made a reverb just for snare drum? But wait, in every mix I do, and maybe you too, I create a reverb specifically for snare only. So yeah, it actually makes sense. FireSnareVerb comes with 6 different reverb categories, with 3 different algorithms each. You can use these 6 algorithms at the same time, and blend them with their own corresponding level. United Plugins recommends to use the plugin in parallel, so as an aux or send effect, but as an insert it's also fine, there's a dry-wet mix control. You can use just one or all 6, and there's a variation switch to have some more subtle choice. These categories are different enough to let you build your own reverb snare sound. When I mix snare, I have a fixed order, a workflow if you will, how I shape a reverb specifically for snare. And as chance happens, this translates seamlessly into FireSnareVerb. I usually start with early reflections, because that will shape how direct a snare will sound and how much space it immediately takes up in the mix. Then I look for something that fills the space more. And I need something to fill out the room. Normally I do this all in the mix, let's add more of the drum kit for the balance. Now from here I'll fine-tune FireSnareVerb in the mix. You can add compression and saturation on the reverb and control standard things like pre-delay, length and size. In this case it helps that the snare track has bleed from kick and hi-hat. And these also get a bit of this snare reverb because of that. It glues everything more together. The difference with or without the snare reverb is huge. It goes from bone dry and in your face to a mix with depth. There's an EQ and there are filters, but I do miss a lower EQ boost setting. It would be great to be able to boost around 100 to 250 Hz to get a really thick snare verb, but you can use a third-party plugin for that. When you look at the plugin, it looks rather basic with its vector-based graphics. The advantage is that because of that, it's a very small download and install. It's 28 MB to install the VST3 on Windows. I personally like more eye candy, but that comes down to taste. Everything in the plugin is clearly laid out and leaves nothing to be questioned, which is a good thing. You get a nice frequency display. A point of improvement would be to have some frequency numbers below the display for extra clarity, also because the EQ is placed just above it. Anyway, the display uses a logarithmic scale, so this will be 100 Hz, this 200 and this is 1000 and so on. The preset menu has something that looks like a bug to me. When you use the right arrow you get the next preset as normal, the left arrow though opens the preset menu. Not what I expected. That said, I find FireSnareVerb to be versatile enough to be used on other instruments as well. Don't let the branding prevent you to try it on other sources. Check it out, it's only $15 at intro sale.